Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys I have the iPad A16. Of course these are the newer devices in terms of Apple's line. So as you can see here, this is the A16 version of the Air iPad. Alright guys, so this is an 11th generation device and this is a iPad. This will apply to any iPad that you might have. So if you have a iPad newer or older, as I said, this is a newer device, you'll follow along and it should help you out in fixing the black screen issue. Now of course I'm only reproducing, it's not I'm into this, but this is how we deal with the black screen issue whenever it appears on like your iPad. Alright, so of course, one of the first things when you're having the black screen problem on your iPad is that the screen remain black or blank, meaning, of course, it's going to remain as you see here. You might be able to hear sounds such as notifications from your apps and sounds in the background, but of course the display is going to remain blank or black. If you touch the screen, nothing's going to happen. If you press the buttons, nothing's going to happen, and it makes your device unusable. So of course in those situations it can be very tedious if you do not know what to do. Now in order to fix this problem, let me first show you what to do. Now as you can see here, we have two buttons here, volume up and down, and at the side here I have the power button. And of course with these newer devices such as this 11th gen A16 iPad, what you're going to realize is depending on how you're holding it, the buttons will switch. So for example, in the current orientation, which is in landscape, all right, this is will be portrait, landscape. All right, so in holding it in landscape mode, what's gonna happen is that this is power, but of course you would think this is volume up, but this button at the extreme top here is actually volume down and this is volume up. All right, so when you switch like this, it will switch values, so keep that in mind in case it's not working. All right, so remember that your screen won't come on, but mine will. All right, turn it like this. So I'm going to do it in the reverse. So it's going to be volume up, volume down, press and hold power. All right, so you see sometimes due to the orientation, it tends not to always work as you think it would. All right, so press and hold, do not let go. There you go. As soon as you see the up logo, let go. So it's one swift motion. It's this button here, which should be volume down, volume up, and power. All right, so the way that the screen turns tend to mess it up. So if you're doing it this way, then it's gonna, there you go, it's back up, so it's gonna be down, up, power. All right, so let's see that. So it's back up, it's asking for the password. All right, and there you go, I've unlocked, and it should work for you now. And remember, if you turn it this way, it's going to change. So it's going to be in the direct opposite. So just then I press this one, and that one for it to work. So in this position, it would be the opposite. So it would be down, down. It would be down, up, power. So it's volume down. So it's volume up, volume down, and power. All right. So let me make sure I'm doing it right. So in this orientation, it's volume up, volume down, and power. In this orientation, it's volume down, volume up, and power. All right, so they tend to switch around. So stick to this mode right now that you're seeing here and simply press the buttons in the order that they're given. All right, so that's it basically, how to force restart the device in case that the device is in a black screen mode. I do hope this was useful and see you in the next one. If it doesn't work with up, down, and power, do the opposite as I said, which is if you press this one first, this one, that one, or switch it around and do this one, and then that one. And if you switch it around, it changes. All right, so hope I was clear on that. So see you in the next one, guys, and hope that fixes your issue. See you. Bye, guys. Bye.